Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas that's being really hard to get along with. Well, it's more like the camera is. I need something to focus on. So, it's dry, as you can see, but I'm thinking that I just did a swipe that was a keyhole swipe that was a geometric, and I'm thinking that because I see there's a little canvas showing on my edges, I'm going to add some paint along the edges that I can use. I wasn't going to use my finger, but better safe than sorry anyway. So this is Meeden Black Paint Acrylic black paint. And I'm still using up, I've still got some Deco Americana 24 karat gold that I've mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800. Anyway, so I'm going to go and add some of this Meeden right down the center. And then if I like my pattern, I'm going to augment it with the Deco Americana and some Chantilly lace from Colour Arte. I'm basically going to just fuddle around. The Chantilly lace is so shiny. Shimmery and beautiful when it dries. It's awesome. No idea what I'm doing, but I'm having a good time doing it, so that counts. Now the other colors I just finished using were Jasmine and Saffron. And you know what? I'm going to use some of that Deco Americana over here too. And if I need more, I'll get more out. I used my indigo violet and it's beautiful, but I don't think it's bright enough. I am going to use some of the new Fairy Tales collection Primary Elements Magic Slippers. And I'm just going to keep adding paint as long as it makes me happy. And some saffron before I go for the jasmine. I may still backpedal. I might still use some indigo violet. Yes, I'm taking a big chance because I don't know what's going to happen when I swipe. At the moment, it looks like something other than these marks on the edges that I wouldn't mind keeping. And I am craving the indigo violet. Or I have some Egyptian blue, which might be really nice also. Oh, I like that. Well, it's not a keyhole swipe so far. I don't know what you'd describe this as. I'm wondering if I should grab some turquoise. I don't know if I need it. I think it's time to play. Now I used white with other colors like the Indian Spice to swipe with last time. And I've got several cards of different sizes. And I think I'm going to start with a wider card. I'm going to use Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam white. And I think I'm going to use some Amsterdam black also. So I was having a problem thinking that my Amsterdam white wasn't working because it was old or something, but it seems to be working fine. I'm tempted by the jasmine. but I'm going to use Indian Spice. That wants to dump over. I don't want it to. So where do I go start? I've got to start somewhere. I'll start where there's some colors. I need to make sure I have enough paint next time because that was a close one. It came very close to failing at the edge. I'm going to go from the other side and do something similar. And there's a good chance I'm going to leave some of my colors behind without being swiped. Now I like that. If I add the jasmine, it will stain everything pink. But since I do love it, it might be worth trying anyway. And I do need that extra little bit of paint. Which fortunately I had in the shape of the Egyptian blue. I don't actually mind going back in and adding lines or shapes sometimes, because that can be cool too. So I'm going to take that black, scrape it right off there, and I'm going to go back in with the white and hope it doesn't make gray. I've got some purple too, that might be kind of cool in there. I think I'm going to try the purple. Purple's dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby. And more Indian Spice. I usually use Mayan Gold, so. No, I don't want that to be turning right now. I like leaving the gaps behind. Ooh, that's nice. I wonder how that color got made. That's that turquoise I was thinking I wanted some of. I think I'm just going to come right down here and fill in. I'm not sure I'm going to leave the stuff in between, but I'm going to have to come back for it if I want to do something to it. I love that. Now what could that's got to be the Egyptian blue and maybe the pink. So I need a thinner card for this end if I'm going to do that. I kind of want to grab a spatula and clean the card off. Let's just use that paint right there. I don't think I'm going to hurt anything by doing that. I like how the jasmine looks, so we'll just do that again. White and black. And jasmine. And I've got the Egyptian blue, so I should be styling. Oh, I changed the order. Thought I was going to put jasmine last, but I didn't do it. I should have a way to block my turntable. So I'm thinking something over here. I've got a really thin card somewhere here that I cut from my last painting. Hopefully I didn't throw it in the bucket. Maybe I did. I'm going to pick that paint up and use it. Waste not, want not. Throw that in the bucket. That's 2 down. Alright, my spatula might do the trick. But I'm nervous about that. So, whoops, I don't want to do that. So maybe I have to cut another card? I can do that. As long as I didn't lose my scissors. There they are. just cut another card. And I've got all that lovely paint I just put down, so maybe I'll switch it around. And go right through there. Some wonderful textures in here. And then I'm going to do the same thing again without any cell activator, which might be crazy. No, I'll put some on there. I didn't the first time, but I can now. This is for people who really like texture, because there's some great texture in there. I love everything that's, it reminds me of calligraphy a little bit. Now, I was saying before I don't mind adding lines, and that would be my excuse for doing this. There's not much I want to change. That I definitely want to change. Actually, I've got some Boomgel for that. Pearlescent Violet. And since I'm right here and I like that turquoise, I'm going to sneak in some Iridescent Blue Violet from Pebeo, because I have no reason not to. And I might do it again. I'm not bothered by that a bit. I want more. My eyes fairly lit right up when I saw it earlier. I'm hoping it's not too much over here. Still a little bit of gold. I really do love the black showing through in the background. That is my main point of satisfaction. Although the cells are pretty magnificent. Alright, I think that's it. I love what's showing through. I'm going to quick hit it with a torch. Loving using the black and white together. So you guys inspire the heck out of me, and thank you for being here. Thank you so much. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can see that announcement most evenings beforehand on my community board if you go to my channel. I'm going to do my best to zoom in and shimmer at you. I'm really, really liking that a lot. That is a painting I would buy if I had money. And wall space, which I do not. So, if you're inclined to purchase any art, or you'd like to inquire after purchasing any art, please let me know. Use my email address. It's easpbgallery, and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. The white cell activator on the Egyptian blue is gorgeous. The miscellaneous marks that are left behind on the dry canvas are also gorgeous. The cells, I'm just in love with this piece. So there's 29 lists of 100 videos. Wow. And they're organized by topic and genre also. So if you mention that you like a certain style, I will do my best to include a playlist link or two. Probably just one. Sometimes two. Swipes will occasionally get you two. I found that missing swipe card. So if I can help you guys and you have questions, feel free to ask me. I'm happy to help. Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos and watch some longer. You help me out. Your comments not only keep my morale boosted, they're a good incentive for me to bring back more tutorials because they help my standing on YouTube. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for being here. Check on my Amazon link. It's on the link tree near the 20% off Colourarte coupon code and the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs code. I love this. I want to do more. I was thinking about doing a geometric. This isn't really geometric, but it satisfies my need for all the things that I was craving. So whatever I haven't told you, you'll see in another video. Other than the fact that on the link tree you can find a couple websites, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. Did I say Society 6? I probably did. I'm all discombobulated right now. I do sell my artwork and I give lessons too at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. We had a lesson last week and we're going to have a lesson next week. And if that continues, I may survive. So come on down. All right, I love you guys. This is gorgeous. Woohoo. I'm so happy you were here. I'm so happy I got to do this for you. And I hope it inspires you to do something for yourself. I love you much, and I'll see you anon. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. Oh, yeah, Pixel Paint Designs is for Australian Floetrol, Boomgel, and Pebeo paints, as well as more. And the 20% off Colourarte coupon code will get you Primary Elements and Prizm Pours and whatever else the website sells. And I'm an affiliate of both, so you might be helping me survive if you decide to make a purchase. And I really appreciate you guys shopping my Amazon link, those of you who still do, because not many people are. Oh, and donations. If you want to make a donation, there's a PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel. They were down 79% last year. So memberships are $9.99 a month, and there's over 110 videos in the membership library, and there's probably more coming. I'll see you guys anon. Pardon me for begging. See you. I love you. I come here for you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.